In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your Klaviyo private API keys. It's a straightforward process, but it's always helpful to have a guiding hand to make sure everything goes smoothly. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to locate your company name, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of your Klaviyo dashboard. Clicking on your company name is your entry point into the settings menu, a vital area where you control the more intricate elements of your Klaviyo account. After selecting your company name, you'll spot the Settings option. This section is your hub for customizing and managing various aspects of your account. So go ahead and give it a click. In the Settings menu, you'll want to direct your attention to the top of the screen, where you'll find the Account tab. This is often where you'd manage overall account settings and preferences. Click on Account, and a new set of options will appear. Here, you'll want to select API keys. This is the specific section dedicated to managing your API integrations, which include creating, editing, or removing keys as necessary. Within the API keys section, you'll notice a clearly marked area for private API keys. Private API keys are crucial for securely connecting your Klaviyo account with other services, ensuring that data flows safely and only as intended. Now, to create a new private API key, click on Create Private API Key. This action will initiate the creation process. As you create your new API key, you'll be prompted to give it a name. It's best to choose a descriptive name. This helps keep things organized and easily identifiable, especially if you end up creating multiple keys down the road. Furthermore, you'll also have the chance to select the specific access permissions this new API key will have. Make sure to assign only the necessary permissions to minimize potential security risks. Limiting access to just what you need is always a smart practice. Once you've named your API key and selected the appropriate access permissions, simply click the Create button. And just like that, your new private API key is created and ready to be used. It's a good idea to keep this information secure, as API keys are sensitive data that provide access to your account functionalities. There you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully created a private API key in Klaviyo. This will help you establish secure and efficient connections with third-party services, optimizing your workflows. Remember, it's essential to regularly review your API keys to ensure they're current and safely managed. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!